Are you looking to improve your English reading skills? Here are 10 practical steps to get you started. Step 1. Start with easy material. Choose simple and easy to understand content to boost your confidence and familiarity with the language. Step 2. Read aloud. Reading aloud is an effective technique to enhance pronunciation, intonation, and fluency. Step 3. Use a dictionary. Keep a dictionary handy to tackle unfamiliar words and expand your vocabulary. Step 4. Take notes. Jot down key points, new vocabulary words, or interesting ideas to reinforce your memory and understanding. Step 5. Join reading groups. Engage in discussions with others for different perspectives and deeper analysis of the text. Step 6. Set goals. Establish achievable reading goals for yourself and monitor your progress to stay motivated. Step 7. Read regularly. Consistency is crucial for skill development. Set aside dedicated time each day to read. Step 8. Engage with various genres. Explore different genres to expose yourself to diverse linguistic patterns and enhance your overall understanding. Step 9. Summarize what you read. Take a moment to summarize the main points or story in your own words to reinforce your understanding. Step 10. Be patient and persistent. Learning a new language takes time, so celebrate your progress and remain persistent in your efforts. And there you have it. 10 practical steps to improve your English reading skills. Remember, consistency and exposure to various genres are key to success.